one box. Got that one box on me. Hold on, that's all they sent me was 2 boxes. So I was assuming it was gonna be more, but let's get into this. They left me this package. Got a big box, little box. I don't know if everything is in here, but let's find out. And hope you like these as much as I do. I hope I like them as much as I think I'm gonna like them, actually. Do the unboxing. See what's popping. They're the exact same color as the pinstripe. Exact same color. That's candy copper. What y'all think of that? Whew. This is almost this is the exact same color as the pinstripe in the on my CVO. I'm impressed. I'm thoroughly impressed. Thoroughly impressed. Thoroughly impressed. Clear this real quick, because they told me when I got this rim package, when I purchased it, I got it under a special, and they said that they were going to send, I got 2 free rotors with this, and also a set of tires, and I just don't see tires, a rim, and rotors being in this bigger box. I just don't see it. No tires in here. No tires. I'm going to call DNA as soon as I finish with this vid. Unless there's more. What y'all think? Like, share, subscribe. Hit that bell. As you guys know, that my bike has black in it, and it also has the smoke chrome. So I was either going to go with smoke chrome spokes, black lip, or roll the dice and go with the candy copper, hoping it match the pinstriping in the CVO, the copperhead, and it matches almost perfectly. So there's supposed to be rotors in here too. I don't see any rotors or tires. So I will be calling DNA to see what's happening. But yeah, look at that. It's good quality. Really good quality. This is nice. I'm thoroughly impressed. God bless me with good taste. I was always able to match up colors for some odd reason. Like if I got something at home that I want to match up with something in the store, like if I got a pair of pants at home and it's a shirt, I'm like, that'd go good with that shirt. I always had a good memory for the color. Wow. So, I'm about to call DNA right now, so you guys stand by. We'll come right back and let you know what they say. Yo, I'm back. So anyway, it's a little bit later in the day. So I called DNA. They said that I didn't opt to get the free package. So when I first, this is exactly what happened. When I first ordered my rims, I didn't even know there was a package until it was confirmed through my email, and they sent me everything that I was supposed to be getting, and then I looked into it like, oh, it's a package, oh, right on time. So I talked to DNA. They told me that I had to really opt for the package, and so I went right back into what they sent me, and they had all the stuff that I had coming, but it was boxes next to it that was checked, like it said rotors, no. Tires, no. So it was just a misunderstanding. I did ask DNA, like, well, since this stuff was supposed to be free, is there any way you can send it to me anyway? She said no. Since everything was, delivered to me, the rims were delivered to me. There's nothing she can do. I really wasn't a big fan of Shinko tires. Anyway, there was Shinko white walls. That's what I would have got, and also the rotors, the DNA rotors. I'll probably still order the rotors from DNA. I'm gonna do a little, studying to see if the rotors from here fit first, because the rotors for CVO is a little bit bigger. So I'm gonna see if these rotors fit first. I measured around, and I measured the diameter of around the ABS hub thingy, whatever you want to call it, ABS ring. It's the same diameter as these. So, but this is what the rim looks like next to the paint job. I went outside and grabbed my fender just to give you guys a good idea of how the rims hit off of the copperhead paint job. Look at that. See those pinstripes in there? They're almost it's an identical match to the spokes in the rim. And these spokes are called candy copper. And then I got the black, the black rim and the black nips. So, I didn't want to have a lot of candy copper on the rim. So I decided just to go with the black, because my bike it does have black in it. But what do you guys think? This is gonna be killer when I get all this together. And I did go with the TP tire pressure TPMS system for this. The actual monitor did not come with the rim, but it was $30 extra on the rim to have it set up to be able to accept it. My last rims wasn't made like this. So I am going to have my buddy Sean, who does tires and rims, I'm going to have him take the tires off of these. I'm going to take those monitors out. Even though I looked these monitors up and they said that the monitors from the factory are set for a 19-inch rim, but I'm putting it on that 21-inch rim. And I'm probably going to use this tire, because since it's brand new and just ordered me one tire, there's no use to using me letting this tire go to waste. And I have these rims on sale on Facebook Marketplace, but everybody is trying to lowball me for these rims. The first guy said that he would give me 15, then he went down to 1,000, and I told him, I said, hey, you can have them for 1,000, but I'm taking the tires and the rotors off, and those TPS monitors. So he's like, no, he didn't want that, because that rim, this rim right here, just by itself with no rotors, no tire, no TPS tire pressure monitor system, the TPS MS, you guys know what I'm talking about. On here, just a straight rim is almost $1,000. These are almost $2,000 a piece with nothing on them, with no rotors and tires in the monitor. So they're like, I think it's like $900 each. So don't quote me on that. This rear rim, now I think they're the same price. But anyway, saying that to say, so he wanted these rims, where as they stand right now with everything on them, these are $3,200, $3,200, and I will sell them for $1,500, more than half price. And he tried to lowball me for 1,000 after he agreed to the 15. So I was like, yeah, okay, whatever. And I'm not that pressed. And then a guy hit me up today, and he just put in 500. I just responded to him. I laugh out loud. I'll throw these boys in the Detroit River before I sell them for $500, even 1,000, But yeah, so I will be taking them apart by this weekend. Today is Monday, so by the weekend, these rims are going to be taking the tire off and rotors and the monitor off. So if anyone is interested in these rims, let me know before the weekend. If it's after the weekend, it's just going to be the straight rim, and I will drop the price for just the straight rims. Since they're $1,000 a piece, I'll sell them for $1,000 just the rims, and that's negotiable too. But anything that's reasonable, we can work with. And if you're out of state, just remember I still have to mail them to you, so shipping won't be included. But back to these boys. So yeah, let me know what you think about these rims. DNA always does a good job on their rims. I know they did a good job on the last rims, all chrome I had, but they did a really great job on this candy copper, and I'm really digging it. I really am. That copper matched the pinstripes perfect. Look at that. So yeah, I am happy with the product, impressed, and I can't wait till everything comes together. I should have this all together in about maybe a week or two, depending on, if the rotors can fit on here. They look like they can fit. Like I measured from here to here, and it's the exact same width on here, from here to here. So I may have to get new screw bolts, but I'm definitely going to try And if you guys have any intel about these rotors going on DNA rims, make sure to leave it in the comments. Let me know. I will be taking this stuff off in 5 days. It's got these are brand new rims and tires. Yeah, they tried to lowball me for them. But you know, that's the world we live in. So, y'all let me know what y'all think of the new rim setup. And y'all know the rest. Like, share, subscribe, hit that bell, and also drop a comment. Like I say, let me know what y'all think of these. Make sure y'all subscribe. Try me get these numbers up. I think this could be a really nice setup for this summer. I'll get with y'all later.